Jasmy accomplishing $500 per individual is entirely feasible, and this picture will make sense of why the sum up it. As per Promotion Decisions, a self-administrative program for the web business, they approximated that in 2018 the worth of individual data in the US was $57.7 billion. This figure really can see is expanding year on year. So envision how much this data is worth in computerized promoting now in 2023. Jasmy have entered the right market. Everything without a doubt revolves around their genuine utilities, their deals, their PCs and individual information storage spaces is what they need to hit. Also, Jasmy have the organization. What's more, assets to do it barely 7 days prior begun to IVS Crypto 2023. This occasion with Japan's biggest occasion went to by directors and site administrators from Japan and abroad. Anyway, I have it's turned into the biggest occasion in Japan, yet the biggest occasion in all of Asia. Also, here is the Japanese head of the state's initial message of this occasion. Fire up. Kato Masani Shaku this. Begin to have a koka. Spekagoganian Kakuchi. Fire up bueno. Tashiko Nissan, Niju. You know Dubai or Quail Jutsu and Kibokoto? Madara-san Jutsu. No, they don't have the foggiest idea. See you send you a few new pants open advancement. No sushi, no samba. Unexpectedly. So the greatest reason for this occasion was to assist with reinforcing the new businesses, and as you heard, Japan are vigorously put resources into this fate of this industry multiple times than it's called level, and Jasmy was a gold sponsorship of this occasion. The help Jasmy of getting in the organizations that they might have made at this occasion could be considerably greater than we naturally suspect. In actuality, this occasion even had Wave taking part as the greatest jewel support. The sensible sponsorship is on the grounds that Report has been broadening its blockchain business for partnerships and has stretched out into different fields. Notwithstanding global settlement, they likewise need to bring issues to light of their L1 public chains XRP. Go get different organizations and engineers intrigued and use it for the shooter of Web3. And afterward you have Installment Administration Organization Circle, who are a platinum support at AVA 2023, and they are thinking about giving a steady coin in Japan following the new regulations, as the fellow benefactor and President Jeremy Allaire expressed Japan's stable coin bill and said that Japan could turn into a critical market assuming that steady coins are progressively used for worldwide business, unfamiliar cash exchanges and cross-line exchange. Very much like I said yesterday, an ever-increasing number of huge enterprises are outstanding. Money managers are beginning to look for business and put increasingly more into Japan. Japan is turning out to be more attractive, and accordingly, over the long haul, the economy of Japan will proceed to rise, and as we can see here, the normal land cost in Japan rose 1.5% in 2023 from a year sooner, for the second successive year of increment, so it appears that the higher land process is adding to indications of the Japanese economy recuperating from the pandemic. This is obviously extraordinary information for Japan, yet additionally incredible news for Jasmy. Furthermore, this is on the grounds that in time this monetary development could pipe into Jasmy, since they are a Japanese crypto organization, the very first be directed in Japan, and they have profound and strong associations with huge organizations like Sony, Avita and Microsoft and, surprisingly, more. And, surprisingly, the Japanese legislature. Obviously it will be a long interaction. Yet, as I said in my Keep Going video on Jasmy, the Jasmy Group has worked effectively showcasing their business lately, and just we are now investigating business in the US, we can possibly see simply be taken on a worldwide scale. We want to see the equity wallet and real-life individual information, creating esteem information, exchanges, and afterward the Lockhart Jasmy is a pearl and seriously underestimated. Guys, that is a big update. If you guys enjoy the content, you want to stay up to date. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.